emboozi za Bujjingo lwaki temuzijja ku internet ne tukola emirimu gyaffe. Internet tugibalekeddemu akabanga ne tuleka basima internet investigators, internet police, internet bureau of investigation mukoze ogwammwe mu implicate ze Bujjingo mwenna ne you have failed to arrest the suspect. If you cannot arrest the suspect, then that means you are a noise maker. Why are you making a noise to make more enemies? Kali mutambula mutia, mutambula mwepima, jemulaga mutiayo, simwezi bakubirwa muzitia, buli akutunulira omutia, buli wala bekibambola kyo wa police nga wekweka. Kati why were you making such enemies over things you are commenting about when you have no solution, nowhere to go, nothing to do? Ebintu aba obiraba nga birimu mada. Be late to comment. Don't be early. Be late to comment. Ojja kusavinga obujulizi nga mazima ddala. Your city is dangerous. If not, ojja savinga obujulizi nga mazima ddala. Your being out is dangerous. Nga balina kukuumira wali kubanga olina information yennyini. Owakanye, owakana ki, omanyi biki? Wakkiriza biki, wabaddewo. There are things that contain information. Ngo ina tunula butunuzi word no soko kirabe okumala ebbanga. Ngaro navayo kukyogirako. Nene police tena yogera abogera batandise dda, neguni tena yogera, famire y'omufu tena yogera, famire ya Bujjingo tewali yayogedde. Mwavuddeyo n'okuwolereza obuwolereza mu kesi bwezi naye si kirungi. Ngo inako side gy'osimbyeko essira n'owolereza. It is as bad as okulumiriza. Naye twagala muve ku internet tutambuze emirimu gyaffe mulemedde ku internet. Every day you are coming up with a new story. Every day you are coming up with a new file. Internet investigators. If you cannot arrest any suspect, your investigations are useless as your life. Because someone with a useful life, you cannot just poke your nose into matters that contain murder. Which murder of a senior citizen, which attempted murder is of a senior citizen, which murder is of a security high-ranked personnel. Mwe. Bampita Godfather mbere bulungi. Ne mutuvire ku internet tambuze emirimu. Mutuvire.